Hi everyone, my name is Thai. I'm from the FPT University and my major is Information Assurance. The work from the Nike is very light, daddy. Just do it.
Hello everyone, my name is Nhật. I'm studying software engineering at FPT University and I have something to tell you that remind yourself overconfidence is a slow and incident killer.
Hi, my name is Wong. I'm learning at the FPT University. My major is Information Assurance. My goal is to improve and become better every day. Woo!
Hi, I'm Huy. I'm studying software engineering at FPT University. I want to join this competition for a purpose. I must like the time when I'm coding and try something new. Let's go.
Woo. Hey guys, I'm Huy and I am a second year as Information Assurance faculty at FPT University, Ho Chi Minh City. And I am the leader of the Red Hat. And yeah, let the game begin. Woo! Well, at first, we come to this health hackathon primarily for competing and try our best to learn and get more experience in extremely wide and challenges field like healthcare. Hello, mate.
This is a hard version, and also this is a great opportunity for us to meet, discuss, and work with many professional guests like doctors and mentors from many different organizations and companies on our healthcare projects.
Yeah, that's the right answer. And to sum up, last but not least, in Vietnam, it is really hard to find a hackathon about healthcare topics like the healthcare hackathon 2022 hosted by Swinburne. So this is the best place for us to practice our skill and hack the hackathon.
Which I learned from the first workshop is that IoT can make a significant change to the current situation in Vietnam. As you can see, it is extremely hard for the patient to seamlessly interact with doctors. Example from Mr. Wang will certainly make everything easier for us to track our health condition and also for the doctor to remotely diagnose our health.
And I impressed with Dr. Thúy project that apply AI analyzing chemical composition to use more drug effectively. The better drug we have, the more people we can save.
So the second and the third workshop have a lot with our idea. What Mr. Steven shared about WinBrain and RVKs have improved the first idea which we registered for the competition. AI is really a powerful enhancement for centralized telehealth products. How are you?
At the third workshop, Mr. Places bring a free topic about the checkbox with the application of the AI to give advice and help people with mental problems. It's great at the time we try it.
Yeah, so throughout the three workshops, it's a great honor for us to hear the presentation from many doctors and mentors from many different fields in healthcare about their projects and work. It's have a lot in knowledge and prepare for the projects in the coding round. Yeah.
So we have done any project related about healthcare before. This is the first time we try a hackathon about healthcare. We believe that mental health is a tremendous issue in our country where there are many suffering with health. We'll try our best to create useful products which help society from various mental trauma. Thank you.